So we're underneath, we got the oil pan off. We're looking at all the bearings. We just finished with cylinder 3 and 4. They were definitely galled, but the crankshaft is okay. Cylinder number 1 and 2. Cylinder number 2 looks fantastic. There's no galling, scarring, whatever, but if we look at cylinder number 1, we can see that that bearing rolled, and we can see it is just absolutely chewed up from that. So now we're going to get the other bearing cup off, and we're going to see just how badly damaged the crankshaft is. If it's badly damaged enough, then, you know, that's it. That's game. So stay tuned.